La 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 lattes were a. La 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 lattes were a. Crazy part, I had to wait till I got up that hill to say that, y'all. To save all my breaths, because you know where I'm at is mountains, highways, and byways. But I'm out here doing my ones and twos, making my moves. I had to go and take my poor child to get her medicine from Rite Aid. I told y'all she woke up fucked up. Like, she was upset. But we trying to get that fixed. Right, baby? Mm-hmm. My baby birthday in 3 days. Y'all gonna have to pray so that way we can get some magic going to unlock her shit. Tell him pray, baby. Look. But I don't think she could tell y'all her shit. Because her shit clipped. Yeah, it hurt. You see? I bought her a protein shake because my baby won't be able to eat no solid foods for about 2 weeks. So everything got to be in liquid form. Kind of comparing to a broken jaw. But it's not a broken jaw. It's called TMJ. It's like temporary muscle joint something. Google it. I ain't got time. But all I know is my baby's birthday is in 3 days, and we got to get her shit fixed. Because we ain't feeling this. Big 25, come alive. You heard me? Of course, health is important, but when you're looking forward to something, you've been looking forward to it, you did not think you was going to wake up 3 days before your birthday with some fuck shit. So let's just pray that the fuck shit goes away. Uh-oh. He hopped out like it was smoke. I ain't know whether to move out the way or run. Yeah. It's warm out here. I don't know if y'all know or not, but July 5th, they supposed to be doing CERN of the day. You know, if you don't know what CERN is, Google it. Because I ain't got time for time on my video. Really, I don't. I'm just giving you knowledge, and knowledge is always power. So, take it and run with it. CERN 22, July 5th. Look it up. Hope everybody in a good mood. This weather's supposed to be crazy, baby. So, woo. And yeah, whatever you got to do, make sure you do it and get it done. The weather's supposed to be real bad later on, so I'm not sure if you want to be out there for it. It's supposed to be all type of thunderstorms and thunderstorms, but maybe that got something to do with that I just told you to look up. So make sure you do as such. And guess what, y'all? I bought me some reading glasses until I find my actual glasses, because I actually haven't found my actual glasses yet. And I'm getting tired of losing glasses. Like, all right, if they was on my face, I couldn't lose them. I understand that. All right, I'm too grown to be losing all these pairs of glasses. I also understand that. But it happened. All right? And now, until I find my actual glasses, y'all, I had to buy some of these glasses so I could see. Nene always calling me when I'm making a video. She don't got no respect for my shh. So she gonna have to wait. You know? But yeah, let me show y'all. Check these out. What y'all think? It doesn't really matter what you think. I mean, it does, but the fact that I can see is the only part that's supposed to matter in the first place. And I can actually see with these. Let me decline her call, because at the end of the day, wait, and my shit came with a little Casey case. You see the cute little Casey case? Yes. Now I ain't like that. Trying to see. I can see y'all. What y'all did for the 4th of July. I did a video, put up my video. It was a good video too. Hopefully you watched that, but I'm gonna have to take it down and put it back up because I got a copyright claim. I know it was for all that bum ass music in the background, but I'm gonna have to get on there and do a voiceover and be like do like that to like drain out some of the music, because I ain't got time for time. Because when you're not monetized, you can't use certain things like other people's music or whatever the case may be, because that's funny. But if you get a copyright claim, then that video can't be monetized. And any video I do, I want to be monetized. So therefore, I'm going to take it down, go do throughout the video, and then I'm gonna re-upload it. And hopefully y'all rewatch it, but my loyal people will. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I went to the juice bar, got this, but it's nasty. And I'm gonna tell you why it's nasty. Because I like the breakaway balls, okay? They gave me these gummy thingies, and I don't like it. So I got a smaller straw, right, to just drink the juice through it, but that's not working for me either, because the point of the drink, I did not pay $8 for that drink just for the drink. I wanted my balls too. Like, that's like getting a man with all dick, no balls. Like, they come both together, don't they? Right? Right. So I'm going to give this to Azem, and he'll be happy with it. Trust me. What's your guys' plans for the summer? Did y'all start going on vacation yet? What y'all doing with y'all kids? Are they in camp? Like, you know, me and my kids about to dip, so that's what it is. So they gonna be doing what they doing with they mommy, moving on along. They had wanted to sign up for camp, but you can't sign up for a camp that you're not gonna be here for, so that really does not make any sense, right? But I'm just trying to wait until after Deja's birthday so she could celebrate with who she needs to celebrate with. And toodaloo, loo. Lulu, these glasses is killing me, but peep it, they my favorite color. And do you see the flowers on the side? I got some designs. All right. Mind you, I paid $3.49 for these. $3.49. Yes, I did. And these look better than the shits that I actually have to wear on a regular basis. Look at all them arts and crafts they got going on. And they gave me a case. Like, what? I can't wait until the day I do get monetized, though, y'all, because I'm going to be looking back at all these videos, because I don't know if y'all noticed or not yet, but your girl got over 200 and something videos out there. Like, over 200 and something. And I'm about to stick to my consistency and at least drop a video every day. I don't care if it's a video of me tap dancing, teaching y'all something like, yeah, the way this happened and the way that happened is whatever. You understand what I mean? But it is what it is. The 4th of July fell on my mental Monday, so of course I dropped a 4th of July video, Independence Day. But me personally, I felt kind of guilty, because if we just celebrated Juneteenth, why would we be celebrating July 4th? It like goes against everything we just stood for. But them fireworks was pretty. I ain't gonna lie to you, it was pretty. They was pretty. I don't like to be a hypocrite. I was there for it. But yeah. Hope y'all people been praying. Because this world is different. And there's a lot of difference going on in the world. I don't know who you believe in. You can actually believe in yourself. But whoever you believe in, make sure you keep the faith. Because right now we need more faith than anything else. That's the only thing that's going to get you through. Believing in something. I'm telling you the truth. And right now I'm believing in this goal, in this different, how can I say, chapter of my life that I'm about to step into. You know? And that keeps me focused on things that are good rather than the negative things that are going around. As y'all can see, I already started throwing my stuff out. Because your girl is about to go. Your girl is about to go. Say it with me. Your girl is about to go. Girl is about to go. Yep. Here we go. You see it. I can't throw all the out here at one time, though, because in Yonkers, the tenant get the ticket, not the landlord. So if I throw my shit out, all of it, on a non-garbage day, yeah, I'm going to have a ticket in my mailbox. And then they so gangster with it, they will send you a picture of your shit so you can't deny it. Possibly even a picture of you coming up out your shit with the shit, to put the shit where you put the shit. Like, ain't this your shit? I took my other braids out. I did these braids yesterday, no lie. In like 5 minutes. So yeah, this is homegrown. But y'all know a lot of my hairdos be homegrown, so there ain't nothing new. But I'm really feeling this color. I think this is going to be my color for the summer because you know I'm loving me some green. I'm loving me some green, nothing in between. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Yeah, but I can't wait to get to my new place and start buying new furniture. Like, that's always fun when you moving into a new place and you picking out furniture and you know, going through your little layouts. Go, oh, I want to put this here. I'm going to put this there. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm kind of excited and anxious for this move. So I'm going to get rid of this shit. And I'm going to get to getting some new shit, but just not for this shit, for my new shit. You got all that? I hope so. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Listen, if I could go to the 99-cent store and get some glasses so I could see for $3.49, you could at least hit that like button or that share button or that subscribe button or that notification bell. Yeah, new pair of glasses. Of course, I'm going to have to get it together with the looking at the camera again, but it's all right. I got y'all. I got y'all. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrows. Yo, my father there used to sing that song. I don't know where that just came from, but it was real. I don't even like this juice. Why the hell I keep drinking it? I don't know, but I was planning on taking the kids to the pool today, but being that the weather is looking like the weather, look at the weather. That's because they shot the sky up with all them them fireworks yesterday. So that's the reason why we dealing with this crazy ass weather today. So it's gonna be hot, but I don't want to be hot getting out the water and then get caught in the rain. So I don't know about that pool thing today. And my baby birthday is 3 days away too, so I gotta get on it. You know what I'm saying? But this is Latte coming to you from La 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 Latte's World. We gotta get our shit together as a whole, not as a half, not as a portion, not as a piece, as a whole. Before you blame anybody else, make sure you tap into yourself, and that's what I'm leaving on. Hey, hey.